guys, for today's video, I thought I would take you guys along with me to work on a project that I'm working on. So for today, we are helping my mom decorate a space, and the space is going to be a little bit different. It is going to be like a creative space, like a studio that you can kind of like rent out. So what I'm doing is creating like a lounge area where people can sit, the entryway and everything, but we're in the middle processes basically of the renovation, so everything still needs to be done. So I'm going to kind of show you guys the before, but I wanted to head over here and kind of set up the lounge area just to see what it looks like, see if I need to go ahead and pick anything else up. That way, when everything renovation wise is finished, I have absolutely everything I need and I can just move it right in and the space can be good to go and ready for everyone to enjoy it. So the car, as you can see, is jam-packed full of stuff. I'm gonna take everything out. My brother and Charla are gonna help me like kind of set everything up for today. So I thought I would just like take you along so you guys can see like a little bit of behind the scenes as well as some decorating that I'm gonna do today. Okay, so this is the before. The ceiling is almost done. The lighting still needs to be placed in certain spots, and there is a sunlight here, which makes me think that this area could get a real plant, but this is the area that I'm working on today. I just want to see if everything fits in. Obviously the carpet and everything still has to be replaced. This is going to be the little seating slash lounge area, and then in the back, as you guys can see, the whole bathroom has been like completely torn out, so an entire bathroom is going to be built in here. I think there actually might be 2 bathrooms if I'm not mistaken. So the first thing we're gonna do is obviously cover this with a rug. There will be like proper flooring here, but for now I wanna see what the rug looks like. And then this is the couch. So we're gonna have to open up this box and start assembling it. I believe you probably have to put legs on this or something.
Hey, I think you took the spray and turned it toward it.
Can you grab that side? And then let's kind of put it like all the way against the wall. Right there. That's good news. Because it needs to be in like the middle. Right the middle, pretty much.
Oh, and then you're gonna film this side?
My grandpa doesn't read directions. I should let everyone know. He just held this up. He does not read any directions. So I went ahead and added in the sofa next, and this is from InMod. It's the Ashton Vintage Leather Sofa. They were kind enough to send this over, but I absolutely love it. It fits in with this makeover perfectly. And then the next step was to add in some artwork. So here, as you can see, I just had Joey help me because I'm not the best at hanging things up, especially because I'm so short. So we hung it above this plug. So we did have to hang this like covering up the plug, so keep that in mind when you see it fully hung up.
You always say you get paid extra for being in the video.
So here is what I'm talking about as far as the picture. It is hung up a little bit higher, but again, it did need to cover that plug, so I'll make it work. I did add in this faux plant just for now to see where I wanted the plant to go, but as I mentioned, there is that sunlight, so I'm definitely gonna go ahead and pick up a real plant because I do think it would survive in this space. To the right, I just added in that lamp. It's from the Leanne Ford collection at Target. I believe you can still get it in the sale section, but I've had it for quite some time, but I thought it fit perfectly in this little area. And then this is the Safavia concrete indoor-outdoor coffee table. It is amazing. I love their stuff so much, and again, they actually sent this over to me as well, so I will link that below along with everything else. And then lastly, for the space, all I thought it really needed was a few accessories. So I head on over to Home Goods and found some things that I thought would just fit in here nicely, as well as I'm adding back in that Kood Krieg pillow that you guys saw from before. So I think that's all that I'm going to add in for the makeover for today. The only thing that I think I might add to this is actually 2 chairs facing towards the couch. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I think it'll just add a little bit more to the space, as well as create more seating for people if they need more places to sit down. Since it's not like a sectional couch or anything, you're only really gonna get like 3 people on there. So I thought that that would fill in the extra area, as well as, like I said, create more seating. But I hope hope you guys enjoyed this quick little makeover video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn those post notifications on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!